Is those storms were not severe, and now they are moving out of here. I'll stop the radar loop, and that's what we're looking at as far as 544. Some showers near Flushing, but no thunderstorm activity just yet. However, look at this big cluster of thunderstorms over towards Clinton County. This is moving into Shiawassee County, and the National Weather Service has issued a special weather statement for that thunderstorm, saying that it could contain some small hail. Now, as we travel north along 127 through Alma, west of Saginaw over towards Hemlock, St. Charles, Chesaning, we've got some more rain moving in. This is just light to moderate rain, though, with maybe an occasional clap of thunder, but more thunderstorms are developing through Harrison, also into Clare. These are moving into Gladwin and Midland County, so we'll be watching these for you, but not severe. And north along M55, where we had the tornado yesterday, thankfully looking quiet right now, but we will be watching for more showers and storms moving in. And look at the activity out towards our west. All of this heading due east as we go into the next 12 to 18-hour period. So we are stuck with showers and thunderstorms, and these will continue to blossom for you as we go throughout the rest of your day today. So let's take a look at your day planner. Temperatures will be going from about 66 this morning to around 74 this afternoon, 82 by the time we head into the late afternoon, and that's with some sunshine breaking through the clouds. But because of all the showers and storms we have this morning, I'm not expecting to see a lot of sun, certainly not as much as we did yesterday, where Flint got to 90 degrees, first time since September 11th last year. We hit 90 degrees in Flint, but it looks like we'll be mainly stuck into the 70s and 80s today. And there is also a chance that some of the storms this afternoon could be severe. The Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma, the meteorologists that issue tornado watches and severe thunderstorm watches, they have our area from Saginaw south along I-69 in another risk to see some severe weather today. That's good news for our friends up north, where we're still going to be cleaning up from that tornado and hail, and even a little bit of wind damage reported across places near Tawas. Thankfully, not seeing the severe weather that far north, but for places to the south, we'll be watching for wind, hail, and heavy rain to be the greater threats out of these storms today. Still a slight chance for a tornado like we saw yesterday, and certainly we had that one verified with that EF1 and hail, but it looks like the bigger risk with the storms today will certainly be wind and hail. Now, there is a flood potential with it as well. Alma and Gratiot County already this morning under a flash flood watch. We'll see if this gets expanded any farther east, but we've actually had a fairly dry June, so not expecting to see flooding become a huge problem, but we are seeing those thunderstorms lining up along the same areas, and that could potentially give us a little bit of a flood concern on top of all the active weather with the severe weather. So here's the boundary. You can clearly see where it is. Notice the showers and storms with all the rain sliding towards the south and east. Individual clusters of thunderstorms will start to gain a little bit of wind potential, and we're looking at this one here through Shiawassee County, then the one to the north of Grand Rapids. We've got another band here that may introduce some wind potential, and that's what I'll be watching for you as we go throughout the day today. And all of these storms are clearly developing on our warm front, with 50s to the north, 80 to almost in Chicago to the south, and that boundary is stuck right over top of us today, and that's why we are going to continue to talk about the threat for strong to severe thunderstorms and also some heavy rain. Good news, though, it looks like we'll be able to push this front a bit more to the south as we go to your Thursday. So I've taken out the rain chance unless you are south of I-69. But the rain, that front, it returns actually Friday into the weekend. So we get a very brief break from the showers and storms before we see more coming in this weekend.
All right, we've got a crew in downtown Saginaw right now who said they see the lightning off to the west. So
it's coming.
You are so right, Jason.
Heads
Thank
up.
you. Well, UPS package